Going to another Cars and Coffee with the boys. Just waiting for everybody to pull up now. I didn't even have a chance to clean this thing, but it still looks good. Just waiting on everybody else. Why are you not focusing? Let's go. There you go. This man is always pulling up super clean. What's good, bro? You should always looking super clean.
Good, brother. Good?
Chilling. Freaking broke my bumper right here. Gonna have to take this bumper and split it off for now. This is the car you guys just saw me run. 2JZ, making a little bit over 600. When we hit it, I was on low boost. I still haven't put this thing on full power after I did the swap.
Now they're painting body stuff for that car now.
Damn, this S10 is freaking nasty. Nardo gray, LS3 in it. So sick. That looks good, dude. Good look. I even got like a little GoPro right here. And it's shaved in the back. Clean. That GT3 is freaking nasty. But this little wagon though. This one? Oh, bro, it's freaking right-hand drive? Sick. Right-hand drive, manual. On the BBSs.
Oh shit, jump part.
This will be probably one of the only Mustangs I'll ever own if I did. Nice little Cobra. Oh, sorry. Damn, this motherfucker badass.
EJ posted the
It's on the sick with the supercharger. This thing's clean as hell. Nice R33. Oh, yep.
It was a great color. I wish I still had it.
Beautiful. RB25. So my damn Nismo bumper broke. I was driving. It was dark and I guess somebody hit a deer on the road and it was just laying there, and I hit it on this side right here. And I guess I didn't notice, but it broke. Let me show you guys. It broke the tabs off. So now I'm referring back to my OEM bumper. You know, might change the look for a little bit. I'm probably gonna go ahead and order a lip for it, but we'll figure out how to fix this. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take it off. I gotta swap the emblem off. I'm trying to go ahead and cut this, like all the stuff off. It has some zip ties there because somehow it was broken when I first bought the car. But yeah, here we are again working on the car. I need to go ahead and set up the tripod. Got my stuff ready, so I need to bring that over here so I could go ahead and do it. I almost didn't do none of this. Whoa, almost didn't record it. And for some damn reason, this freaking plastic back here keeps rattling. I need to put the clips there and there, and put that one perfect, and put the clip on that side right there, because that shit's driving me nuts, the rattling back here. Well, got you guys on the GoPro now. Gonna go ahead and get situated. About to tape this up and make a line, so I'll go ahead and cut it. So let's check it out, what it looks like. Ta-da! Nice and open. So there it is, opened up. Now I just gotta make it look a little better to fit it, test fit it in the front. I may have to take off this whole like black bottom piece right here and clean up these edges, because they look horrendous. Nothing like OEM fitment. So this is what it's gonna look like from now on. I'm gonna go ahead and order a lip today. Something from eBay, paint it black and put it on there. But here it is. Back to OEM. That cutout came out pretty good. It's a little rough around the edges. Gotta take some sandpaper. Give you guys, see how you see there. Here, this corner. Freaking plastic, it just heats up. Not much I can do about it. But yeah, came out decent. This bumper needs some TLC, as you can see. Might try to buff and polish it, just to get some of the really heavy shit off. But yeah, OEM bumper back on. Well, the original bumper that came on the car. This is the Nismo. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this first. But yeah, here we go. She's back on, baby. As you guys saw what I cut out, this is the little centerpiece that goes there. So kind of went like this, so I just cut that piece out, and yeah, it's going in the trash. But now I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the bottom shield, which I have my OEM one. It's all the way up there hanging, just to keep dust and shit from coming into the car, I think. Or I'll ride on there like this for a little while and see how this feels, and if it flops too much, then I'll go ahead and put it on. But for right now, I don't know if I'm gonna put it on or not. It might help support the bumper. Let's see how flimsy it is at the bottom. Actually, it's pretty sturdy, so it's gonna stay like that. Yeah. Old motor right there. What you guys think? It's back on. So you guys can see you got little like scratches here and there. Pretty big ones, but this is what it is. Well, this is not broken. And still need to order the lip. But this is what she looks like now. Not bad. Other bumper is up here. And it's right there. Cleaned up the floor, swept it. Time to go for a test drive, see how it is. So there it is. The car looks like a complete sleeper now. This bumper's really scratched up. I can see all the swirl marks, just how the whole car was. Can you guys see all the swirl marks there? Compared to not so much up there. Like I said, I'll probably buff and polish it, but there it is. That's what she's looking like now. So